Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two amazing application and one amazing trick for you which you will surely like, because this trick is of YouTube where we spend most of our time. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first application I have in my list is Wombo. Yes, make your selfie sing. With this application, you can able to make any of the photo sing. Yes, if you have any one photo, that photo will automatically start singing in the duet or in the single as well. Let me show you how. When you open this application, it will be open up like this. Now here you have to just add your photo. This photo I have already added here. Now what I need to do, I just have to go back. I have to select any of the video or category, anything I need to select from here. Let's suppose if I select this one here, Will Smith, and I click on this one, and then I click on this W on the bottom, and then select the photo again, and it will start creating a Wombo video for me within few seconds. I'll show you how this will be done. I don't need to do anything, just with few clicks it will automatically ready for me, and that photo will start singing. See this? This is the photo which is being made by this Wombo. That photo automatically create like this. Not only this, you can also create this kind of video as well with the duet photos. See this, you can have to just add two photos and you can create this kind of video as well. That is an amazing application. So many options you will be getting. Later on you can able to save it or share it on Facebook, social media, anywhere, or you can also save it on your phone and show it to your friends. That is really amazing. You must try this one. The name is Wombo. Now let's talk about the second application, and the second application in my list is notification shortcuts. Yes, that is also amazing application and you will surely like it, and this is the interface which you will be getting. Shortcuts you will be getting of every application's notification. I'll show you how you can use it. On the top you will be getting some question mark. This is the first row. Simply you have to select any one of them. Select the function. Is it a application, is it a shortcut, or a toggle? Simply select the application from here. You will be getting all your application. Let's suppose if I select Amazon, on the second one I select an application of Angel One, and then the third one I select an application of Grid. So three application I have selected. All of them automatically get selected, and then you can come out of this one. When you come out of this one, when you scroll it down, these applications you can see it here, and you can simply click any one of them and it will automatically open up. So these applications always there on your screen like this in the row. The most important application which you use every day, it will be always there, just one click away from you. Simply select any one of them and it will automatically open up for you. So this is an amazing application. You must try this one. When you click on these three lines on the right side of the top, you can clear all of them from here. So try this application, that is notification shortcut. Amazing application with amazing feature. Now let's talk about the last feature which I promised of YouTube. For that, simply open the YouTube, click on your profile on the top, go to the setting part, and in setting you have to click on this manage all history. When you click on this one, you have to select which account you need to use and select your account, and then you will be reaching on this page from where you can able to manage everything. Now here what exactly you can do, you can select the date, that 1 week before which video you were watching at that particular time. Then you have to click on this one here, this option here, and then you have to select the date. From here you can select any of the date. Let's suppose if I select the 1st of the Feb and then apply this one, and it will show me what was the video I was watching on 1st of the Feb on that particular time. So these are the videos, I automatically get it just right in front of me. In the same way you can select any of the dates. So that is an amazing feature of YouTube. You must try this one as well. So these are the application and the trick. I hope you like all of them. Any questions, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.